think 56 nights crazy. I think 56 nights crazy. I think me and Yes go crazy. I think me and Young go crazy.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl Newbie, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, welcome. So a little birdie told me that the new trend is voiceovers. So I was like, okay, I'm gonna give it a try. Bear with me because it's kind of hard to record a voiceover because sometimes I be feeling like I just be babbling. And it's okay because I know y'all still going with the video, right? Right, great. So I was off to a rough start this morning, and I just want y'all to come on this journey with me because, well, not really a journey. I just wanted y'all to get this little vloggy vlog of what it be looking like in my day-to-day life because I want everything to be raw, uncut, and to the point. So, with that being said, I feel like I was babbling, but bear with me. We gonna get better at this voiceover thing. So, yeah. Bye. I got up and I got dressed and stuff for nothing. So now I'm just sad and tired and sad. I'll probably just end up doing some other stuff that I needed to do today. And yeah. So I'll probably end up like washing clothes and stuff and handling some business and everything. And just relaxing pretty much. Well, trying to relax because I don't know if y'all can agree, but I'm the type of person, once I wake up, I'm up for the rest of the day, no matter how tired I am. So yeah, I'll tune in with y'all tomorrow.
The next day.
bread. Yeah, that shit the homemade. My shit on knees, make that go both ways. She made them so damn fake. Excited or something. He trying to make me some be excited or something. Yeah, he got big emotion. Anybody spoke to her.
Okay, y'all, so I finally made it to my aunt's house. Wait, I didn't even greet y'all for real. Good morning, because it's like 8:57. Yeah, I made it to my aunt's house. It was a long little journey. I'm tired because I haven't really been getting any sleep for like the past 2 to 3 days. So last night was the best sleep I've had, and I'm still not refreshed. So, ooh. My bad, y'all. That's my song. Like my little Spotify DJ did his thing. You hear me? I was vibing the whole way over here, but I forgot what the hell I was saying. She finna drive because I'm tired of shit. And then yeah, I'll meet y'all the next time I tune in. I'll be at my hair appointment because when she get here, I'm just gonna get in that passenger seat and I'm going to take a nap. Okay. Yeah, so. Here you go. I'm gonna pour this in here. Oh, excuse me. Thank you.
Okay, so yeah, y'all, like I noticed in the next little clip, the audio wasn't working, and I'm not sure what happened to it, but this is what her little place look like.
It's 5, 6 letters. Hush. That's half the word. Why are you helping? I am helping. I'm looking. Looking ain't hard enough. I'm gonna use it, bro. No. It's hard. I thought it was supposed to be Sunday.
Next level. I'm pissed off.
You always pissed off.
We gotta find the opposite word.
What's the opposite of sales? First.
Broke. Look how my nail broke. Y'all, look how her nail broke. You ain't had to show the people.
Look at that curl pattern, y'all.
Thank you. Back up.
Okay.
Me too hablo inglés. For the first time I actually something. It's how you it. Huh? Yeah. Thank you. I'll be trying. I'll be doing that crazy. Oh, yeah, me and Kirsten in the video. I said, not. Look at that. She could be in the liquor store. She could be in the liquor store doing just that. Look, check this. Y'all, the hair is treated, trimmed, and slicked. What you want? I said, what you want? Oh, no freak fuck. Tell my son what you want. I said, what do you want? That's some juice in here, you know?
What kind of juice?
And you said you was good.
What kind of...
Well, it might be Chick-fil-A. I'ma just do a little snippet, and y'all tell me. But I'm really feeling like it's gonna be Chick-fil-A. But yeah. All right, I'll tune in. You should.
That shit.
Hello? No more robot, please. Y'all, listen, bro.
Are you crying?
And then she gonna have the nerve to tell me to go and get it, y'all.
Because it was
Go knock it off the door.
It was on your side.
Y'all, I gotta redo my lashes. Look at that. That's horrible.
Thank you.
I'm trying to knock it off the car. Yeah, I'm trying to knock it off the car, and it was coming back towards me. Okay, guys. I done calmed down. It's not funny. We finna eat. And it kind of surprised me because I ended up getting Checkers. And she got BTJs. You know my outro?
like, peace.
Oh. Oh, wow. So
Babe, you
don't know
haven't
it.
done the outro in so long.
Yes, I have. I literally just did it in the last video. Wow.
Babe.
All right, y'all. So that sums up this video. And without further ado, we'll catch you in the next one. Bye.
Girl, that's the same thing.
And I forgot, I love y'all. Bye.
Girl, that's the same.
No, it's not.
Yes,
You supposed to know.
I know everything.
Not that intro. Bye.